Shaving cream is really good as a cleaner and a cleaner substitute, and that's because of its active ingredients. Things like surfactants, emulsifiers, and cleaning agents. It's powerful and has a lot of uses. Shaving cream can also be used on multiple surfaces. Things like wood and glass, stainless steel, chrome, ceramics, tile, fabric. It can clean fabric as well. It can clean carpet. So many things. Let's take a look at some of the things I like to clean with shaving cream. Make sure whenever you're using shaving cream, it's the white foamy kind and not the gel kind. Always put the shaving cream on a microfiber towel, a regular towel, or a sponge. Do you have a door with grimy little fingerprints all up and down it? You can take your shaving cream and a damp, wet sponge, put a little on there. It normally doesn't take much. And then just go ahead and clean the surface. Make sure whenever you clean a surface, you go back behind yourself with clear water and rinse. Do you have any silverware that seems to get these little brown spots on it, especially when you've put it in the dishwasher? Go ahead and use your shaving cream. Rub it down with the shaving cream really well. Be sure to rewash it as usual. Did you know you could get rid of the odors in your toilet bowl? Go ahead, put the shaving cream in, wash as usual. Odor-free toilet. Shaving cream is also good for your bathtub. Get in there and clean it up. Nice and clean. Were you working with something and ended up with stain on your hand? Use a little. As you can see, the stain is lifting up. Then wash your hand as usual. And what about all those smudges on your stainless steel appliances, refrigerator doors, things like that? Take a sponge with a little shaving cream and it'll shine it up nice and pretty. It's all over the whole thing. Then go behind it with a dry towel and dry it off. You can even wipe it down afterwards with a simple paper towel. Just like that. Make your appliances nice and shiny. Have a squeaky hinge? Get you some shaving cream. Rub it in the hinge. Then your door won't squeak anymore. Be sure to rinse it off. Shaving cream is also good to take on camping. It has multiple uses, including cleaning your hands. You can clean gook off of a dish if you need to. And if you get something on your clothes, you can remove a stain with shaving cream. I'm Pam. This is my POV. Think about it.